honest at all times. Be honest at all times. Once upon a time, there were three elderly brothers who lived in a large house near a city in China. All of them were very short sighted. Short sighted means, children, they were unable to see things clearly unless they are relatively close to the eyes. Okay. One day, the youngest brother said, "Let me take care of our money." Eldest brother's sight is so bad, he cannot see how much money he is getting or giving, and people take advantage of this. Yes, that's true. Now, after hearing this, the middle brother showed disrespect and said, "My eyesight is better than both of yours, so I am the correct person to take charge." Children, we should never disrespect our elders, okay? Again, after hearing all this, the elder brother thought of some idea to check whose eyesight is good. He said, he heard that the school is putting up a tablet inscribed with a saying above the main doorway. Tonight, let's go there and test our vision. Whoever can read the inscription with the least strain will get charge of our money. Agreed? Inscribed or inscription means something written on a stone or a tablet, you can say. A tablet is a flat piece of stone with words written on it and usually fixed on a wall. Okay. They all agreed and went to sleep. As soon as they had gone, the eldest brother sneaked out of the house and went to the school where he met the caretaker. He got to know that be honest at all times is quoted on the stone, inscribed on the stone. Sneak means what? Sneak means to go somewhere very secretly. A little later, the second brother arrived there. He too got the same answer from the caretaker, that it reads, "Be honest at all times." Again he asked, "Is there any decoration around it?" The caretaker added that the tablet has a border of flowers. This was an additional information. The second brother went away very pleased with himself. The third brother, it was the turn of the third brother. Then the third brother also arrived there. He too inquired about the inscription. The caretaker told him that it was, "Be honest at all times." He asked if there was any other writing on it. Caretaker answered, "Only the donor's name, Wang Li, at the bottom is written." Now, one by one, the three brothers inquired about what was written on the stone tablet. The elder brother got to know that a famous Chinese teacher wrote a quotation. What was that quotation? It reads, "Be honest at all times." Then the second brother also got the same thing to hear, and an additional information he got, that the tablet has a flowery border. And the third brother came to know the same thing, but when he asked more, he understood that at the bottom, donor's name Wang Li is written there. All the three brothers cheated to one another. In the morning, the three brothers went together to prove that they have a good vision. The oldest brother said, showing his finger, it reads, "Be honest at all times." The second brother said, "Okay, your sight is better than I thought, but definitely not better than mine. Can you see the decoration around the inscription? There is a flowery border all around the tablet." Very good, said the youngest brother. But can either of you see any other writing on the tablet besides the inscription? The name of the donor, Wang Li. Just then, the caretaker came out of the school and he said, "So sorry, we couldn't put up the inscription yesterday evening. We are going to put it up today." Oh, all three brothers were lying to each other for the sake of money, and they were dishonest also, which is a very bad habit. So, children, what is the moral of the story? We should never lie. So, always be honest at all times. Be honest at all times. Hope you all like the story. Thank you and have a nice day.